students, my name is Pooja and I'm going to discuss an important topic from strategic management, that is Introduction to Strategic Management and its process. So let's move on to the introduction part. This is strategic management. The word strategy and management combines to form a strategic management. So the strategic management is concerned with the formulation of vision, objectives, strategic formulation, strategic implementations, and making changes in the strategy intent according to the changing requirements of the organizations. So what is strategy? Strategy is the action plan which organizations achieve or give direction to achieve the organization goals, and management is to manage them. Management is an art of getting things done through others, through using resources effectively and efficiently. So strategic management begins with the formulation of mission statement and setting of objectives for the organization. Then a portfolio of the business or business model is prepared and ends at conducting functional activities to achieve the pre-established objectives and goals. So this is the introduction part. These are some of the definitions. So according to the ENSOF, strategic management is a systematic approach to a major and increasingly important responsibility of general management to position. मीन्स कि एक सिस्टमेटिक अप्रोच है टू मेजर एंड जो भी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है जनरल मैनेजमेंट पोजीशन के लिए वो, एंड रिलेट द फर्म टू इट्स एनवायरनमेंट इन अ वे विच विल अश्योर इट कंटिन्यूड सक्सेस, ताकि फर्म का कंटिन्यूड सक्सेस होते रहे, इसलिए स्ट्रैटेजी प्लान किए जाते हैं एंड मेक इट सिक्योर फ्रॉम सरप्राइजेस. मतलब कुछ भी अगर रॉन्ग हो तो उससे वो मतलब सक्सेस बनाता है, सिक्योर करता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉयड ब्रेयर्स, strategic management is concerned with making decisions about organization's future direction and implementing those decisions. यानी लॉयड बोल रहा है कि strategic management मतलब decisions बनाना organizations के about organizations और future directions और वो implement करना वो decisions को. This is the process of strategic management. The strategic management process means defining the organization's strategy. It is defined as the process by which managers make a choice of a set of strategies for the organizations that will enable it to achieve better performance. So this is one of the diagram of William and Hunger strategic management model है ये. So here is environmental scanning which includes an external and internal factor. Strategy formulation, उसकी process mission strategies, policies. Then is strategy implementation which includes procedures, budgets, and programs, and the strategy evaluation. So let's move on the topic in detail. The environmental scanning, strategy formulation, strategy implementation, and strategy evaluation. These are the four important processes of strategic management. So first point is environmental scanning. So environmental scanning refers to the process of collecting, scrutinizing, and providing information for strategic purpose. It helps in analyzing the internal and external factors influencing an organizations. After executing the environmental analysis process, management should evaluate it on a continuous basis and strive to improve it. So what is environmental scanning? यानी business के environment में बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट को स्कैनिंग करना, जो भी रिसर्च करना है इंटरनल फैक्टर्स एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स, वो बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट को वो स्टडी करना इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स स्ट्रैटेजीज पर्पस के लिए, ताकि हम स्ट्रैटेजीज फॉर्मुलेशंस अच्छे बना सके. सो इट्स पर्पस factor is external factor and internal factors. Its purpose is to satisfy the internal and external factors which will help in determinations of future generations, for future corporations of the organizations. फिर so external factors इसके हो सकते हैं, which includes it also can be assisted through one of the SWOT analysis, that is strength weakness, which is an acronym for strength weakness opportunities and threats. So external factors में आते हैं opportunities and threats which is used for the external factor means outside the organizations, and internal factors includes those strength and weaknesses of the organization which is used inside the organization. So the second point is, so this is the environmental scanning, and the second point is strategy formulation. Once you have done the environmental scanning, the second point is strategy formulations. So we have to formulate the strategy. Okay, so the strategy formulation is a process of deciding the best course of action for accomplishing the organizational objectives and hence achieving those organizational objectives. So after conducting environmental scanning, managers formulate corporate, business, and functional level strategies. So it is a best course of actions which organizations use to achieve the objectives, and here we make the strategies, and which is assist to carrying out the objectives, and which will find the best possible way to achieve our goals. And the factors are processes, vision of the organization. Then that is it will decide the vision of the organizations, which will help us to take the future decisions. And vision is decided by the top management level, that is CEO, managers, or chairman, whoever is in the organization. And the second part is the mission, which enables the existence of the organization's objectives. As usual, it is strategic, as it is given that it is strategic, which is long-term goals. So obviously the objectives will be long-term objectives. Strategies, it is an action plan which we have discussed before, and the policies. So this is the process for strategy formulation. We are coming with the third point, that is strategy. Third point, that is strategy implementations. So once you have done scanning, formulations, so here we have to implement those strategies which you have decided. Okay, so the strategy implementation means, strategy means particular strategy, an action plan, and implement means to execute those plan. जो भी हमने strategy decide किया उसको implement करना. So मतलब strategy implementation implies making the strategy work as intended or putting the organization's chosen strategy into action. So strategy implementation includes designing the organization structure, distributing resources, developing decisions, making process, and managing human resources. Some factors and managing the human resources. Some factors are as follows, that is program, budgets, and procedures. So strategy implementations means implementing making new things, decisions, and taking proper effective action plans which will help us in the future. And one means after formulation, strategy implementation is considered to be the important step, because it also includes the factors, that is program, budgets, and procedures. So programs can be जो भी it's a simple single line program. So programs decide करने पड़ते हैं implement करने के लिए. Then budgets, it is one of the important plan. Costing वगैरह decide करना पड़ता है. And the procedure, so here they use a SOP procedure for implementing the strategy. So let's move on to the fourth point, that is strategy evaluation. Strategy evaluation means if strategy scan, first thing is you did scanning, then you have formulated and implemented. So after implementation, you also have to evaluate. When strategy evaluation means you have to find the conclusion from that topic, from that strategy. So we strategy decide किया है. So it is the final step of strategic management process, and the key strategy evaluation is activities are appraising internal and internal factors that are the roots of the present strategies, measuring performances, and taking corrective actions. Evaluating makes sure that the organization strategy as well as implementation meets the organization objectives. That means मतलब strategy जो भी हम लोग evaluate कर रहे हैं वो organization के goals achieve करने के लिए, मतलब जो भी strategy set किए हैं, मतलब जो भी goals set किए हैं वो achieve कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, और जो भी action plans which we are taking that प्रॉपरली सेट हुए कि नहीं, मतलब वो उसका इफेक्ट क्या हो रहा है स्ट्रैटेजीज के ऊपर, वो सब फाइंड करता है. सो करेक्टिव मतलब एक्शंस लेने पड़ते हैं. सो इसका प्रोसेस है कि देयर शुड बी अ प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन, मतलब कौन से वे में जा रहा है वो सब समझ में आना चाहिए. एंड measuring performances and taking corrective actions. So here I am ending up with this process. Here I am ending up with this slide. So thank you.